Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your account over on the Evernote app. So if you want to delete your Evernote app account basically, then here's how you can do this. So open the Evernote app like this, and basically once you've done that, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen at those three little stripes, and then head over to the top right corner of your screen at those basically that settings icon just right here. Once you've done that, you will right here find more settings at the bottom where you can click on, and it will basically bring you to this page right here. And once you've done that, you want to simply head over to the bottom of your screen, or actually to the top, sorry. And once you've done that, head over to the top right corner of your screen, and then right here you have a list of things you can basically do. But what you need to do is you need to click on account status right here. Then once you're right here, all you need to do is click on close your Evernote account, so you can click on that. And then once you've done that, you will maybe need to set your password. So I currently don't have a password set, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so after you've basically set a password, maybe you've already done that, I didn't, but once you've done that, what you need to do is click on close your Evernote account again. And once you've done that, what you need to do is yes, close my account. You need to enable that, click on continue, and now we're basically going through a quick survey because they don't actually want you to remove it, of course. But yeah, what you need to do is I reviewed the information above, I'm ready to close my account, and click on continue, and then we need to give them some feedback. So what I'm going to do is just click on other and not type in anything, click on I am not a robot, and I need to select bridges, so that's what I'm quickly going to do in order to actually verify I'm not a robot. Click on next right here. Oh, you need to type in your password. Sorry, I didn't saw that. So what you need to do is type in your password like this. And once you've done that, click on next right here. And then once more, you need to type in your verification code. So they're making it really hard in order to actually delete your account. But yeah, once you have basically went to your email and you can see this verification code right here, I'm just going to copy and paste it just like this. Once you've done that, click on close account, and then your account will basically be deleted. So you can right now see your account will be permanently closed, and that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.